as you know, my stop disc, it's all rusty. So I asked my friends if they can clean it a little bit so I can replace it. Let's hope. So Igor is passing like a brush, a very strong brush, to take all the rust out. And I'm gonna replace the original one because, as you know, my upgrade is not good and it broke. Now it's getting better, it's looking better. It's looking better. Now we're gonna paint it, dry it up, then paint it. Okay, so now he got some nail polish. Yes, that's what he heard, nail polish. And he's painting in black nail polish to protect from the rust. Isn't that cool? I like it. It's a hack, I know. So now you know, if you want to get something black, you can spray paint also, but you can buy some black nail polish and at least protect your piece from rust. I know it won't look beautiful, it won't look perfect, but at least you won't get rusty. And I get so sad when it gets rusty. Oh, it's looking cool, all black. I asked him a favor. Since he got a black, look at it. Just, you know, it's so scratch. Okay, just a hack. About putting here, but this is not black and it's an aluminium, so it won't get rusty. So it's gonna be like this till I get a new one. It's a very good one. Okay, back home with my old new stop disc, or new old stop disc, but check it out, it's like brand new. This hack, I love it. And you know, I love so much that he bought a black one for me. What I usually do is to use my transparent one, you know, just the base color. When, if you see my nails are, you know, white or transparent. But with the black one, it's cool because like this part here, I look so cool now. Oh, it looks so cool now. So we're gonna replace it and look around to see if there's any other place that needs a black coat. Let's do it. So to take it out, just pull up the seat post. And I think I can take this one out. Well, guess what? Remember that stop disc broke in here? Yes. So I don't have the tools to take it out from here. So what I'm gonna do is put this back in and take it to the store. But while I was trying to take it out, I found two places that has to be taken care. Let me show you. Okay, I was moving, you know, open like this to find it, to try to put over here the two, and two places that I found that I have to take care of it. Let me show you. Check this out. This part here and this part here. Can you see it? And since today's hack is to paint it in black, that's what we're gonna do. This place that we put the pump, and this here needs to be taken care of. It's getting rusty, and rusty is no good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a chemical that converts rust into base for painting. Then we're gonna use my black nail polish. So let's start it. Okay, I don't have a brush, so I'm gonna use a Q-tip because it's gonna do the same thing as a brush. And it's just a small pot. Wow, that's fast. It's amazing. So what I'm doing now is just converting rust into base for painting. I'm gonna put on the inside. I always like to do it twice. Put it over here. And the other one's fine, but yeah, it's amazing. This side, there is no rust at all. But this one is very rusty. You can feel it inside. It's lots of rust. So let's put some more. And this product, it stops the rust to, you know, get bigger. So it's, I'm gonna put the name of it, but I don't know if you have it in your country, but you probably have something similar. So let's close it. Let's wait until it dries. Okay, so let's open my nail polish, my black nail polish. Do it like this. I don't know, we always do like this. To around. It's a black one. I don't know if you ever use a nail polish, but I always take the excess out so it won't, you know, run on it, and just paint it. Wow, I like it. So simple. I like simple things. Simple fix. I always take the excess out and paint it. Okay, I know it's rainy. We're having a lot of rain on November. If you want to come to Rio, don't come on November. Always raining. Okay, I did spend the whole day on the beach playing beach tennis, but now it's raining. That's cool because you're gonna protect my Brompton with a very simple hack. And because we're gonna use just a little bit, you know, it's not worth it buying a whole can of paint. This nail polish will do the trick. That's good. Okay, now I'm gonna paint the other side. even if it's perfect, to protect it. Just inside. And now I'll give one more time. Gonna paint inside. Okay, let's paint over here also. Okay. Oh, nice job. Okay, I found out another place that's scratch here. So I'm getting a transparent one. We use this one to put in your nails before you put your nail polish. So it's just a base, you know. I use this protect when you don't want to show up, but you do protect it. Okay, since I'm here. Okay, since I'm here, I know. I'm gonna just put it here, but too much. See, you always have to take the excess. You know? Take it out so it won't run on you. And over here, and here, and here. Okay, that's good. If I had a nail polish, the same as this color, then I could paint it. I'm not gonna paint in black. So transparent one is good. Check it out. Here. Okay, it's not a perfect job, but it's a hack. The other side's fine. And now here's a little bit better. I might do one more. No, actually it's just yeah, I might do one more. See here? Can put it here. A bit more. Okay, it's raining cats and dogs. It's amazing. I spent the whole morning from 8 o'clock in the morning to midday playing beach tennis in a beautiful blue sky. Things happen. I hope you did like this little hack. It's nice for little scratches, you know, and at least it doesn't get rusty again. Hope you did like it. Buy a chemical that will convert rust into base paint, and buy a nail polish. Polish is for when you have to do some retouch. If you really have to paint it, you know, then you buy a can of paint. You know, it's just for little scratches. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. I will have to go to the shop because they have a lot of tools, you know, so they can take my stop disc out, and I'm gonna place my new painted stop disc. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do be part of it. You're very welcome. And there's a lot of tips, a lot of quick tips that they come whenever I remember them. And if you're not subscribed, you won't see them. So if you really like this hack, if you thought that this hack saved your life, not really, but you know, if you really like this hack, give a super thanks. Yeah, I like super thanks. They're cool. They tell us that, you know, like they tell me that I'm doing a nice job and I'm doing things that help you. Very nice to have you aboard, and hope for a sunny day tomorrow. Was a beautiful one today. Hope the sun comes back. It's good. Actually, I love when it rains in the afternoon and we have a sunny day at least until 4 o'clock. It's good. Bye-bye.